Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make some amazing, easy, fudgy brownies, all made from scratch. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, just take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell, make sure it's set to all so you'll always get my recipes every time I drop a video. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay guys, we are back and let's go over our ingredients. First of all, the star of the dish. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. We also have some walnuts that we're putting in. Now you don't have to put nuts in it if you're allergic or you just don't like nuts. Please omit them, that is optional. We have our flour, salt, sugar, vanilla, butter, eggs, and our pan. Now, there's one other thing that you're going to need. If you do not have a double boiler, which I do not, you're going to need to make sure you have a pot that a heat-proof dish can sit on top of, just like that. You don't need the bowl to go all the way down in the bottom. We're going to be simmering some water down here and melting our butter and cocoa and other ingredients on the top. So you don't want the bowl to touch the water, but you want to set it up similar to this. Okay, let's go ahead and get this going. Okay, once your water starts to simmer like this, you do not want it to come to a boil, you just want it to simmer. You want to go ahead and put your other dish right on top. Put your butter in there if you haven't already. And you're going to also combine in our sugar, cocoa powder, and our salt. Now this is going to take probably the longest part of anything because now we just want to stir this occasionally until it's all melted down. Now that we have our chocolate ready, it's time to add in our vanilla. I will also have the ingredients down in the description as usual. Stir your vanilla extract in really well. Now we're going to add our eggs in, one at a time, guys. Beat that egg until it is well incorporated. Then add the next one in and beat it well too. You want to make sure it's really well incorporated. Next, we're going to put in our flour. Make sure your egg, you can't see any more of it first. Then just go ahead and add your flour in. You want to mix your flour in really well. Make sure there's no signs of unincorporated flour. After that, you can add your nuts in if you're using nuts. Remember, nuts are optional, but I'm putting some walnuts in mine. Pecans work really well too. Go ahead, put your pecans or walnuts in and give that a good stir too. Now, we're ready for our pan. Go ahead and pour your mixture in the pan. We're going to be baking these in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 20 minutes. You don't want to overcook your brownies. The middle should still be a little gooey when you take them out of the oven, but the edges should be pretty set. Now I'm going in with some chocolate chunks on top. It's more of presentation, so you can feel free to leave these off as well. I'm also adding some nuts. Okay guys, so we are all out of the oven. Don't they look amazing? They have been cooling, so we're going to cut them. And you know, because these are brownies, I have to do a taste test. Oh my goodness, they smell amazing. So lift this out of here. Set that aside. Take your foil and pull it down. Oh my goodness. So we are going to cut these. Let's see. straight down. Trying to cut them as even as I can. Ho, 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 ho. Okay. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna plate these up and then we'll be right back for a taste test. Oh my goodness, guys. Don't these look amazing? Oh my goodness, you know I have got to taste them with some brownie. I got my milk right here. Oh my goodness, let me see, let me see. Rich and thick and chocolatey. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and you got anything at all out of it, please share the video out and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing. Ooh, and the creek don't rise.